students, welcome once again on Alpha Active Learning for better learning experience. Keep watching, keep growing, and yes, do like, share my videos, and if you have not subscribed, do subscribe my channel. Today Standard 8 English 4.1 The Weight by Guy Boyce. Do you know, children? The human body is a very complex one. It is a multicellular organism, you can say. And hence we have a variety of illness also. But do we go to the same doctor for every kind of illness? No, children. We have specialized doctors for brain called neurologist, for kidney nephrologist, special children's doctor known as pediatricians, a cardiologist treat heart related problem, a dentist with the teeth, and an orthopedic with the bones, whereas dermatologist with skin and hair, and a gynecologist with problems of a woman. A veterinary doctor is the doctor of animals. Now, this poetry is based on a veterinary doctor. Guy Boyce is the author of books such as Modern English Prose. The poet says that there are many species of animals in the planet and we do not know about many of them. To be a successful and competent veterinary doctor, one must have wide knowledge about the animal because each patient will suffer from different disease and each patient has also different body inside. So let's begin. To be a successful and competent vet needs knowledge exceedingly wide. For each of the patients he has likely to get possesses a different insight. He must know why the cat is refusing her milk, why the dog is not eating his bone, why the coat of the horse is not shining like silk. Yes, if you really want to be a very successful, a well-known and a capable vet, here VET vet means veterinary, a short form of veterinarian doctors. Our knowledge should be very wide. Now, because every patient here, animal, have a different body inside. And we know that when we are not well, we don't like to eat food. We are not feeling well and we don't enjoy also. And you can see from your face that today something is wrong with you. So same thing happened. The cat is refusing the milk and even dog is not eating his favorite bones. And the horse, the skin is not shining. So here children wait, get, wide inside, milk and silk. These are the rhyming words. Vet, short form of veterinarian. Competent means having very good knowledge and ability. Exceedingly here means very much. And a different inside means different types of size of organs inside the body. Why the parrot does nothing but groan? Why the ducks and the chickens are failing to lay eggs? Why so faint a canary bird sings? And if he is called to the zoo, he must say an incredible number of things. So here the animal mentions parrot, duck and the canary birds. Now due to illness, parrot is groaning. Ducks and chickens, they are not laying eggs. And the canary bird, which is famous for his voice or for his songs, now he is singing in a very faint, in a very low frequency. So if a vet has to visit to the zoo, he must know incredible means unbelievable things about these animals. Groan means a sound of fear, pain. Again, laissez and sings and thinks, they are rhyming words. If the lion's caught a cold, if the zebra's getting old, if the centipede has trouble with his feet, if the hippo's feeling ill, if the bison's got a chill, if the Arctic fox is suffering from heat. So here, if means just think, what if, the possibility, the imaginations. So we have here lion, zebra, the centipede, the hippo, bison and Arctic fox. So lion has cold. Now we will go and treat lion in a forest. Just imagine, right? It is a risk. And zebra is becoming old. Centipede means an animal or creature having 100 feet. Hippopotamus is feeling ill. And Arctic fox, it is the animal found in the snowbound region. Today, even he is suffering from the heat. And bison got a chill means again he is suffering from the cold. If some violent disease has attacked the chimpanzees, if the tortoise hasn't stirred for several years, if the bear's too full of burns, if the cobra eats her sons, if the panther has a wife who chews his ears. So here virulent means the disease attacked by the virus, and we all know COVID-19, that is corona disease, the bird flu, swine flu. There are many diseases which are spread through the viral attack. So if the chimpanzee suffered, or if the tortoise stopped moving, and bears has many number of burns, right? And cobra eating his own sons only, and the panther's wife chew his ears. Even like lion and the tiger, even panther is dangerous. So who will go and treat them? Just think. If giraffes have had a tiff and their necks are feeling stiff, if hyenas will not laugh at keeper's jokes, if the monkey's pinched his tail, if the rhino's looking pale, if the elephant eats paper bags and chokes. So here children, a tiff means quarrel. So the neck of the giraffe, now they are becoming very stiff, they cannot move. And keeper's joke here means the one who look after them. Hyena is not laughing. The monkey pinching his tail, and you can see rhino looking pale. But here elephant is eating paper bags, and as a result it gets choked up in the body. So with this problem, they all will suffer from some or the other things, and it has to be addressed. If the camel hurts his hump, if the kangaroo won't jump, now these two animals, hump is very important, and kangaroos are famous for his running skill. So what if? That means they have some problem. If the crocodile turn cannibal and bites, they run away and get that omniscient the vet and accept him to put everything to rights. Now we know crocodile, the one who eats human flesh. Cannibal means the one who eats human flesh. And they bite and run away. That means to treat such animal, omniscient here means one who knows all and everything, and then treat them and put it everything right. So how a doctor is going to study each and every animals and its body type? Don't you feel that it is very difficult, children? Profoundly, I pity the vet who must learn such a very great deal for his pay. My son, I advise you most strongly to earn your living an easier way. Profoundly here means greatly and deeply. So the poet says that I really feel pity, because if you want to be a veterinary doctor, you must learn all these types of animals, their eating habits, their climatic conditions, their organ system, and what changes them, and then they will treat it. So for whatever the salary he is getting, the knowledge what he need is very wide. So rather than this, it is better if he become a human doctor and treat them. Don't attempt to attend the zoological crowd. A far more advisable plan is to call yourself doctor and so be allowed to treat the illnesses of a man. So doctor says, here the poet says that if this is zoological crowd, if these animals are in the zoo, then also we should have a profound knowledge. So it is better that you be the doctor of a human being and treat their illnesses, because in them also there are variety of illness. Remember children, here the poet wants to say that it is not easy, though animals do need the treatment. They also need a doctor who will treat their problems. But they have different types of illnesses and different types of organs. And hence, we must acknowledge and respect the veterinary doctor. They are doing a great job, because one of the most important things, children, this animal will not communicate the way we communicate with our doctors. We can express our illness, our problems, our sufferings, and hence it is easy to treat a human being, but it is very difficult to treat these animals. So two things poet wants to say, that to be a vet you need not need have knowledge, but there is a lot of problems. You can treat them only if they are in the zoo, otherwise not in a lot of. And second thing, the main problem is of their expressions, their communications, and of course the knowledge the doctor has to get. Now the appreciation of the poem and the poet, The Vet by Guy Boyce. The theme is the illness various animals suffer from and the difficulties of a vet. The tone is witty and light-hearted. Stanzas in the lines of unequal length 1, 2, 3 and 8, 9, similarly 4, 5, 6, 7. Rhymes and rhythm. The rhyme scheme is A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D and so on. Language. Their use of simple and the witty language, different problems of animals, of their body structure and abilities. The figure of speech is alliteration and onomatopoeia. So children, animals do suffer from the illness, they do need treatment, but we as a human being also should respect those animals. Instead of hunting them, let them live their life wherever they are there, and if they are with us, don't trouble them. If possible, feed them. For those pet and the domestic animals, you should help them out. And if you find certain birds who are lying, you can go to the pet these doctors and see that they get treatment. So having a treatment is everyone's right, but of course for the doctor it's a very challenging one. Thank you so much. Keep watching, keep growing with Alpha Active Learning.